Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the busy book for my 6-year-old. So my 6-year-old reads, but we don't do grammar or something, those kind of workbooks and all because she's not interested in. So we do grammar fun games. That's my attempt to do grammar with her because she just detests the grammar workbooks. And I'll show you what all we are doing here. So first one is the singular and plural. So basically when you do can, it become S and bushes become ES. So those was because she read, so I hope that she'll be able to figure out the differences, that where bus will become buses plural or bus will become SS. So that is what the intention, to just check and introduce that there S and ES, that kind of context, and then man goes to men. So basically these are all complicated grammar stuff which I want to talk to her and just get it out of the way, introducing this grammar stuff rather than doing worksheets. Second one, we are going to complete the sentence, and here we are using verbs. So I don't need to tell her that it's a verb and what is verb, but just like still saying that I'll just tell her that this is verb because it's an activity. Like chef likes to cook, Sani likes to whatever read, Sia likes to dance or swim, whatever she wants to write, and dad dash very fast, runs very fast, walks very fast, whatever. So basically just practicing the verbs, their spellings, writing skills, and then talking about when this is verb because you did an activity. That's all is the intention of the sheet. Next one, we are talking about tense, that when it already happened, what do you call? Melt, melted, buzz, buzzed, link, linked, wipe, wiped. So again, this will have only D and this will have ED. So those also things we'll talk about in the spelling and writing practice, and then like that we're done with the tense. This one we are doing nouns, masculine and feminine. So again, he will change to she, hen will change to cock, bull will to cow, boy to girl, king to queen. Again, we are doing spelling practice here and then telling that boy and girl, how do we change and why they're called so, something like that. And again, we are doing spelling practice here. So we don't do dictation again. She doesn't like it. So still I want to make sure that she knows some spellings because these are which she sees around or reads, like our continent, Asia, country, Singapore, nation, India, and our location, Bengal, where we live. So because these words she sees around all the time, we are traveling, so I mean notice boards or address on anything. So that's what I expect these spellings she should know, and if she doesn't, then we'll figure it out again. And the last one again, spellings, but they are little simple, like church. So these are phonetic words. That's what it is. Earlier was all sight. Here church, house, and chain. She reads. That's the point that I always emphasize. She reads, so she figures out the spellings. But again, revising the phonetic rules is never bad. So that's why we are doing simple spelling work here. So hope you enjoy this workbook. Bye bye.